Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup OneDrive business folders with retention policies, detailed guide step by step clearly. In this video, we will explore how to backup OneDrive business folders while adhering to retention policies. First, log into your OneDrive for Business account. Navigate to the folder you wish to backup. Click on the folder to open it and view its contents. Now, select the files you want to backup by clicking on the checkbox next to each file. If you want to backup the entire folder, click the checkbox next to the folder name. Once you have selected the files, locate the download button in the toolbar. Click on the download button to start the download process. The selected files will begin downloading as a compressed zip file. After the download is complete, find the zip file in your computer's designated download location. Right-click the zip file and select Extract All to access the contents. Now, let's ensure our backup aligns with the retention policies. Open your SharePoint Admin Center in a new tab. On the left sidebar, click on Policies and then select Retention. Here, you will see the existing retention policies applied to your files. Review the policies to understand how they impact backup and data recovery. If you need a new retention policy, click Create to start the setup process. Follow the prompts to specify the name, description, and locations for the new policy. Make sure to include OneDrive in the policy settings. Define the retention period based on your organization's needs. You can choose to retain items for a specific duration or until a specific date. Once you have configured the policy, save your changes and apply it. Return to your OneDrive for Business as you finish setting up the policy. Regularly check your backups to ensure they are up to date and accessible. Consider scheduling periodic backups to maintain data integrity. Educate your team on the importance of adhering to retention policies. With these steps, you can efficiently backup OneDrive business folders while following retention guidelines. This process helps safeguard your organization's critical data from loss or accidental deletion. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to manage backups with retention policies effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.